How to delete all TikTok reposts at once 2025. Have you ever looked at your TikTok profile and realized your Reposts tab is a cluttered mess of videos that don't match your vibe anymore? Cleaning them out one by one can take hours. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your repost history efficiently in 2025. While TikTok doesn't have a giant delete all button yet, there are specific workflows and tools you can use to wipe the slate clean without the manual headache. Hey everyone! Reposting is a great way to support creators, but over time, it can clutter your digital footprint. Currently, TikTok's mobile app is designed for manual removal, which is fine for a few videos, but if you have hundreds, you need a different strategy. In this tutorial, I'll cover the fastest manual way to do it on your phone and a semi-automated method using a desktop browser. Step 1. The mobile fast tap method. If you only have a few dozen reposts, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the Reposts tab, it's the icon with the two arrows. Instead of watching every video, tap the video, immediately hit the share arrow, and tap Remove Repost. To speed this up, don't wait for the video to load. As soon as you tap Remove, swipe down to the next one instantly. Step 2. Using the desktop Chrome extension. For those with hundreds of reposts, the mobile app is too slow. Head over to your computer and open the Chrome Web Store. Look for a reputable tool like TikTok All Reposted Videos Remover. These extensions work by simulating the remove click for you. Once installed, log into your TikTok account on your browser. Step 3. Running the automation. Open the extension and click Start. It will automatically navigate to your profile's Repost tab and begin unreposting videos one by one. The reason this is better than doing it manually is that it runs in the background while you do other things. Just a heads up, most extensions include a 2-3 second delay between removals. This is actually a safety feature to prevent TikTok from flagging your account for unusual activity or bot-like behavior. Step 4. Managing the rate limit. If the process stops suddenly, don't panic. This means TikTok has temporarily rate limited your actions. Simply wait about an hour and start the process again. This is a standard security measure to keep your account safe and compliant with TikTok's community guidelines. Pro tip: if you want to keep your profile clean moving forward without losing the videos you love, use the Add to Favorites button instead of the Repost button. Favorites are private to you, so they won't clutter your public profile, but you'll still be able to find those videos whenever you want to rewatch them. Cleaning up your profile is the best way to keep your content focused and professional. If this tutorial helped you tidy up your TikTok, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Are you trying to reach a specific aesthetic on your profile this year? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.